This is the internal interface of the Odoo cockpit. You can create the client's Odoo instance just in 2 clicks. Push the Create button and open the form. Add the hostname of the Odoo instance and choose modules that will be installed simultaneously. The Odoo instance is created. To find the installed modules, we have to merge a request updating the created LXSys container. We're installing our Bureaucrat Help Desk client. Apply and synchronize the instance and modules are installed. It works for all third-party modules. Let's create a database on this instance. Again, just in one click. You can use configure template, put the name, and the database is ready to use now. Configure database is created. You can enable HTTPS. The Odoo cockpit gets SSL certificates for current database automatically from Let's Encrypt. Let's install our help desk on the database. Duplicate the database easily. You can configure one database and make as many copies at the instance as you need. Let's create a new template of the database. These modules must be set. Now we can create the database using the new template. Make the enabling of HTTPS and required module is already installed on the database. Create your first ticket here. Make the backup in one move. The list of backups is available. Databases backups over 20 megabytes are stored incrementally. You can package backups and download them by creating a zip file. Downloading of your backup is finished. Let's create the database by restoring it from the backup. The database is created using the mentioned backup. Let's create one more Odoo instance. You can add required modules from Odoo Apps database at the same time. You can make all modules installations using the Odoo Cockpit only, except the request merging. And we can restore the same database from the same backup on the other Odoo instance.